Hello everyone, welcome back. So we were just discussing about the decorators, right? And at the last we just saw that built-in decorators was remaining. So built-in decorators is also having another kind which is a class method. Last time we saw the static method, right? Where no self and CLS would be required. But here if you're talking about class method, so it takes CLS as the first argument instead of self, okay? And can access or modify class level data. So let's just see a quick theory of class method. Okay. So here I am just going to take a count variable. Initially its value would be 0. Now by the help of class method I am going to just make the increment of that count variable and going to print that, right? So I'm just going to create here a class demo. Okay, and here I'm going to specify a count variable. Initially its value would be 0. I'm going to use here the class method. You can see IDE will suggest this class method, right? This is a kind of built-in decorator. So we can just give here a function, let's say, which is going to increase it out. So I'm just giving the function name as increase count, and which is going to just take a CLS. Okay, CLS argument as a parameter. Here we are going to do what? By the help of CLS we are going to just increase the count variables value by 1. At the end we are going to call our demo dot increment count function, right? And we are going to just print out simply nothing but demo. We are going to print out simply demo.count. So let's just try to run the program. You can see here it is being incremented by 1 0 to 1. Okay, we have created out a class demo, initialize 0 count variable. Okay, class method is used, so function is taking out CLS as an argument, as a parameter. So by the help of CLS I have like incremented out the value with 1. Now I'm just calling out my class name, I mean class function with the name of class, and I've like printed out here demo.count, okay, directly. So this is how we are just going to get the response with the help of @class method. That is nothing but the built-in class decorator. Okay, sorry, built-in decorators only. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much.